Hi folks, so for question 3, it's about volume mainly, and there's a bit of currency exchange in at the end as well. So first one is just calculating the volume. Now the shape here, it's a bed, it's an air bed, so it's a cuboid. So that's the shape. So you should know that volume of a cuboid, you just multiply all the numbers. So, and it actually tells you kind of what the answer is here anyway, so you just have to show why that's the answer. So you get that answer by multiplying the three numbers together. So 180 multiplied by 80 multiplied by 20, and then that equals 288,000 centimeter cubed. So volume is always measured in centimeter cubed. So you can just punch those numbers into your calculator if you want and just double check that it gives you 288,000 or 288,000. What should do. That's part A. Part B then. Joshua uses an electric pump to blow up the airbed. The pump blows air into the airbed at a rate of 800 centimeter cubes per second. So if you think about it, you're trying to see how many seconds it'll take. So you're seeing how many of these 800 centimeter cubes would go into your answer for the first question. So the 288,000. So you're trying to see how many 800s go into 288,000. So obviously you just need to divide. So 288,000 and then divide by 800. And if you put that into your calculator, you should get 360. So it would take 360 seconds then to to fill the airbed. But you're not finished now. That'll get you some marks, but you're not finished completely because just look back at the questionnaire. It asks you how many minutes. So what you need to do is you need to divide then by 60. And it actually gives you 6 minutes, so it actually works out to be 6 minutes exactly because there's 60 seconds in a minute. So your answer then is 6 minutes. Part C, Joshua finishes pumping up the airbed at 9:35. So he goes to bed 45 minutes later. At what time does Joshua go to bed? So they're just asking you to add on 45 minutes to 9:35. So 9:35, that's the same thing as 25 to 10 at night. Um, so if you just think about it, to get to 10 o'clock, so to get to 10 p.m., if it's 25 to 10 at the minute, then to get to 10 p.m., that's going to take 25 minutes to get to 10 p.m. So if 25 minutes are gone out of the 45, then there's going to be another 20 minutes afterwards. So 20 minutes after, uh, 20 minutes after 10 o'clock would be 10:25. So 10:25 p.m. And it doesn't tell you really what way to give your answer. We'll just give it as 10:25 p.m. So that should be okay. If it did ask you to give it in 24-hour time, it will be 22:25. That's in 24-hour time. You add on 12 because it's in p.m. So for 24-hour clock, you add on 12 hours if it's p.m. It doesn't ask you here. So 10:25 p.m. should be fine. Joshua buys the electric pump on the internet for 15.95. The currency conversion is €1 equals 90 pence because it's in sterling. So depends what way you would have learned currency exchange, but simple way of remembering is that if you're going from left to right, so if you're going from, in this case, if you're going from euro to pounds, you would multiply. If you're going back the other way, you divide. It's a simple to remember. for currency exchange. If you're going from left to right, generally it's multiply. If you're going back the other way, it's divide. So here you're going back the other way because you're changing the 15.95 pounds to euro. So you're going back from right to left. So you're going to divide here. So you're going to do 15.95, and you're going to divide it by the 0.90 or 0.9. And I'm getting 1772 then when it's rounded off. So that's in euro then, obviously. So €17.72.